This brand is from Carrier and is made in Mexico. The brand is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada, and the units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil. The units have variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as good for the planet as R32. The guarantee on the brand is very good and includes unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The PHD4 heat pumps, a part of their Performance Series, has a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency with a noise level that is roughly equivalent to a washing machine. The QuietComfort Series PHR5 models are premium heat pumps that have two-stage compressors and a 15.5 CR cooling efficiency with an 8.5 HSPF heating efficiency, but they are relatively noisy with a 68 decibel sound rating. They have louvered panels which do a better job of protecting the coil from hail damage. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.